Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. We have ASAKE here and collab with H.E.R. And this song is called Lonely at the Top. So we got H.E.R. here before, ASAKE, I don't think, but anyway, a great collab here. So let's take a look at this Lonely at the Top. Okay, so we start with the capo here on the 2nd fret. And I'm gonna go over some chords here so you can combine the strumming, very easy strumming here, with the main part, which is the melody here. So first, let's take a look at the chords here. We have the E minor, so that will be actually E minor 7, open E, then 2nd A, and then open D, open G, open B, and open E. So very easy to handle this one here. Just the 2nd fret on A, everything else is open. All right, the next chord is A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We also got the D F, okay? So what that is, it's a D, but with an F sharp in the bass there. So it looks like this. So that is 2nd on the E string. Then usually I mute the next string, which is the A there. I'll just lean my finger on top of that A. It gets muted. And then we have open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And finally we got the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right, now we're gonna look at the melody here, and we're gonna play two different parts of the song. You will hear both parts here in the intro of the song, and I'm gonna show you that one. But the part 1 is what goes in this song, perhaps 90% of the song. So that's the main part. We're gonna look at the part 1 first. So we're gonna look chord by chord and hit the notes there. So starting here with the E minor, that is. Hit the open E string in the bass together with open G. Then you play 2 more times on the open G. Then open B. And then open D. So that's the E minor part. Moving on here to the A minor. I suggest you hold the chord as it is. So you're going to play this part. So that is open A together with 1st B. Then 2 more times on the 1st B. Then 2nd G and 2nd D. Then you're gonna slide up to a grip that is based upon the D, like this. And I suggest that you hold the 2nd D string here from the A minor, and you keep that and just slide up here to this grip, okay? So that will be 5th on A, and with the finger used on the 2nd D string on the A minor, you now have that finger on the 4th fret D string. So you just slide up from this A minor, preferably with your middle finger on the 2nd D to this position. Why? Because you need to hit that pretty fast. Right after A minor comes this, all right? So that is the D part. It goes like this. Okay, so hit the 5th fret on A string together with 4th D. Then 2 more times on the 4th D. Then open D. And during that time, when you play the open D, you hit that note's 1st fret B string. So this could be the hardest part of the song. You slide up to this part. And then open D. And you hit the 1st B. All right, so that's the D part. Now we have the G. So that is 3rd fret on the E string together with open B. Then 2 more times on the open B. And then you hit the 3rd B. And that's the G part. And now we have the D F part. So that will be the 2nd fret on the E string in the bass together with 2nd G. And then open B. So that is the main part of the song, the part one. It goes like this. All right. And then we will walk into the second part here. It goes again on the E minor. It sounds like this. Okay, so that will be open E together with open G. Then 2 more times on open G. And then 2 times on the open E string top note. Okay, then the next part will be the A minor again. Goes like this. So that will be open A together with first B. You don't need to hold the full chord this time on the second part, just enough with this. Then 2 more times on the first fret B string. Then again first B, then third B, and open E. That's the A minor. Next part, the D, goes like this. So that will be open D string together with second E. Then 2 more times on the second E. Then you reach out to fifth E and to third E. And the final chord is G, and you just simply play 3rd fret on the E string together with 3rd fret top note. Just like this one time, and it's a big pause. The ending here sounds a little bit different in the original song, and that is because you have different techniques there. You have 2 guitars play that, or at least 2 tracks there combined. So we will stick with the bass here with the main part here of the song. So that is how it ends, and sounds a little bit different because you're just one guitar, and that's the reason. So now that is the second part, and like I said, you're gonna play the first part here like 90% of the song. The second part is played, like I said, in the intro of the song. Also a chorus part at least one more time in the song at about 1 minute and 3 seconds into the song or so. This part, second part, is played again, but you could just stick with the main part, part 1 if you wish, from the beginning till the very end. Now, I promised to show you how to play this with a strumming pattern. That's the reason for the chords. So, same chords, of course, as we have for the melody here that comes in the background. So, we're going to illustrate the strumming pattern with the E minor. That's the first chord. So, one round will just sound like this. Just replicates kind of the picking pattern here. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1. So, and then you switch the next chord. So A minor next, D, and on this first part here we have G and then the D, F. Okay, so we play the G, down, 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 and then you shift to the D, F and play the last down. Only one down on that D, F. So the ending here will be G, down, 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 and the D, F down, like this. And if you want to play the strumming for the second part, you just play E minor 1, A minor 1, D1, and G1 down only. So E minor, A minor, D, and G, pause. All right, so there you have both the picking, which is the main part of the song and what you should play in my opinion. But you can also combine that with a strumming, and that is ASAKE and H.E.R.'s Lonely at the Top. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Show me some love back here in this tutorial here. Click like and subscribe to this channel. Why not? Till next time, play tuned.